Every account on your report has a date opened, but also pay close attention to the date reported and the date of last activity. These timestamps tell a story, and sometimes that story doesn't make sense. Here's why that matters. If an account suddenly appears years after it was closed, or if the reporting date keeps updating with no real changes, that's a red flag. It could be a sign of re-aging, which is illegal under the Fair Credit Reporting Act if done to extend the life of a negative item. Catching this lets you dispute with confidence. You should also track the order new collections or charge-offs show up. Did a new collection hit right after a dispute? That could indicate retaliation or improper handling. Did multiple accounts from the same creditor appear suddenly after years of silence? That's worth challenging based on suspicious reporting behavior. Some debt buyers even delay reporting accounts so they won't show up until just before you apply for a loan, giving you less time to react. Watching the sequence helps you catch these tactics early and get ahead of them. This also helps when you're filing multiple disputes. Knowing which accounts appeared first lets you choose which to target in what order, preventing the bureaus from thinking your disputes are frivolous or spammy. Bottom line, if you don't know when something was added or updated and in what order, it's hard to prove something shouldn't be there, and that weakens your case. At CreditFixGuy.com, we've been helping people uncover these reporting tricks since 2016. It's just $53, and if we don't get deletions, we'll redo the work for free or give you your money back. Want proof? Visit CreditFixGuy.com/CR results and see for yourself. Understanding the timeline of your credit report gives you the power to fight smarter.